Want a healthy, smoky, and spicy meal in just minutes? Let's make a Chipotle chicken bowl at home. 2 chicken breasts, diced. 2 tablespoons Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Salt and pepper. 1 cup cooked rice. Half a cup black beans. Half a cup corn. Half a cup diced tomatoes. A quarter cup shredded lettuce. 2 tablespoons sour cream. 2 tablespoons shredded cheese. Fresh cilantro and lime wedges for garnish. In a bowl, marinate chicken with chipotle sauce, olive oil, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Cook in a skillet for 8 to 10 minutes until golden and juicy. Now, assemble your bowl. Start with a base of rice, add black beans, corn, and tomatoes. Top it with smoky chipotle chicken, a handful of lettuce, a spoon of sour cream, shredded cheese, and fresh cilantro. Squeeze over lime for that perfect zing. And that's it, your homemade Chipotle chicken bowl is ready. It's spicy, fresh, and better than takeout. Try this recipe today and don't forget to subscribe for more quick meals.